Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Drive and Fish. Today in this video we're going to unbox a USB lavalier microphone for PC and we're going to see what this $5 microphone is capable of doing. Before that, if you're new to this channel, a subscribe will motivate us to make more videos for you. Come on, let's dive in. In the box we have a travel pouch and a USB microphone. The length of this wire is 1.5 meters and it has got a wind muff and a tie clip. The finish looks good and you can use this for your YouTube vlogging for voiceover recordings. The pouch is going to be useful if you're going to be traveling all the time. Before we close, let's check the sound quality of this microphone.
Hi, this is a sample audio.
What I feel is the output is very weak. And that's all. Until then, see you. Bye.